Hello everyone, you are welcome to Mathematics Tour. In response to the request made by one of my subscribers to solve questions 21 and 23 from Progression Test Stage 7 Paper 2 2024 and questions 21 and 22 from Stage 8 Paper 2 2024. If you have any questions you want me to solve for you, please feel free to make your request. I'm always available to make a video on it for you. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. Also like, comment and share this video. So let's jump into the first one. This is question 21 from stage 7 paper 2 2024. In the diagram, the expression on the top, that is this, is the sum of the two expressions on the second row, this and this. Find the value of P and the value of Q. Okay, so what you need to do is to add these two expressions together, that is 3 into 2x plus P, then plus Qx plus 2 to be equals to 15x plus 17. Okay, so let's expand this bracket. You have 3 times 2x, 6x plus 3 times p, that will be 3p plus qx plus 2 equals to 15x plus 17. So let's rearrange. We have this and this. So we have 6x plus qx plus 3p plus 2 equals to 15x plus 17. So we can factor out x here. 6 plus q into x, then plus 3p plus 2 equals to 15x plus 17. So here you cannot collect like times, like you saying 6 plus q into x, then you bring 15x to the left hand side. Okay, so that is impossible here because we have two unknowns. Okay, so here what we need to do is to compare the left hand side by the right hand side, okay, in form of comparison. Okay, so if you look at this expression here and this expression, you can compare them. So from there you can say 6 plus q is equals to 15, then q will be equals to 15 minus 6 and q will be equals to 9. So this is what you could do here. Then also this expression and this expression, when you compare them together, you have 3p plus 2 equals to 17. So let's solve this. 2 goes to the right hand side and becomes negative. You have 3p equals to 17 minus 2. You have 3p to be equals to 15. So let's divide both sides by 3 and p is equals to 5. So this is the solution to question 21. So let's go to the next question. Question 23 from stage 7 paper 2 2024. Point A has coordinate 3,6, point B has coordinate 7,6. A, B, C is an isosceles triangle. Draw a ring around each of the possible coordinates for point C. Okay, so let's illustrate this. This is point A, for instance. Point A is here, and you have point B to be here. Okay, so you have many options where you could put point C. You could put point C up here and you could put it down here. So using different scenarios. So the first case is when you take line AB to be the base. So if line AB is the base, then point C will be at the middle of point A and B. So the middle of A and B will be the midpoint of AB, and point C can either be on any at any point on this line, either here, or either at the bottom or below either above or below line AB. Okay, so that is one method. Okay, so take for instance now, if you want to put it here like this. Okay, so this will be the base, and you have something like this as the isosceles triangle. Okay, so another way around, if you put it up there, okay, so you are going to have point C to be here. Okay, and you draw the isosceles triangle like this. So AB will always be the base in this example. Okay, so another way is to take AB as one of the equal sides. Okay, then you can always draw the other one to be along this side here. Okay, so point C can be here. So by maintaining, because this is one equal side, okay, so you must count the same steps, okay, to this point C, and you're going to have point C here. So the gap between AB and AC must be equal. So instead of you bringing it down here, so you can take it up here. So point C can be here, okay, and length AB will be equals to length AC. So that is another option. Another option is to start from point B. Okay, since AB is one of the equal sides. Okay, so you can count the same steps, okay, above and below the line AB, okay, in taking B into consideration. That is, you can either have point C here, okay, or you can have it up here. So let me show you in a grid. So this is a grid. Point A is x equals to 3, y equals to 6. Okay, you have a point here, that is point A. Then point B is x equals to 7 and y is equals to 6. Okay, so if I take this to be the base now, so let's draw a line. So if I take this to be a base, okay, so that means I need to find the mid of this line AB. Sorry, this is B and not C. So this is AB. Okay, so let's put point B here. Okay, so fine. So if I want to place my point C, so I can place it either above or below this line AB. Okay, but one thing is that it must be at the middle of line AB. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the middle will be 1, 2. So the middle will be here. Okay, so that is how to get the middle. Or you can add the values of x together and divide by 2. That is x1 plus x2 over 2. Okay, that will be 3 plus 7 over 2. That will be 5. Okay, so which is here. So this will be the middle of line AB. So you can place point C, okay, on this line at any point. Okay, so if you want, you can put it here. Okay, so that means the coordinate of point C will be x equals to 5 and y equals to 4. If you like, you can put point C here. That will be x equals to 5 and y equals to 10. So this is one option. Okay, so let's look into another option. So let's remove this. Okay, so this is point B. Okay, now we want to take this as one of the equal sides now. Okay, don't forget that in the first example I chose this to be the base. Now I want to choose it as one of the equal sides. Okay, so if I do so, and that means I should have the equal side elsewhere. So considering point A now, so I have to place point C, okay, in the direction of point A. So that is, I have how many steps? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So between A and B, we have a difference of 4. So I will transfer 4. That is, I will also count 4 steps from A like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that means it will be here. Okay, so C will be here, and this line, if I join this now from A to C, okay, so you see that I have equal, so this side will be equals to this side. AB will be equals to AC. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, and I can always join this together. So this is the isosceles triangle. Okay, so what I did to point A, I can equally do it to point B. And also, if I don't want the C to be here, the C can always be up. I'll just count 4 upward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means point C will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point C will be here. So, and I can always join A and C together like this. Okay, then so this AC and AB will also be equal, and I can join the base now. So this will serve as the base. So that's another option. Another option is to count from point B. So let's count 4 upward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means from here, point C will be here. Okay, so and this will be the base. Okay, and you can also count it downward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So point C will be here, and this will serve as the base. Okay, so you have many ways of forming the isosceles triangle. Okay, so it depends on the one you are given. So from here now, when you choose AB to be the base, okay, then this will be the correct option, okay, for point C. Okay, now if you choose AB to be one of the equal sides, then that means you have to place the other equal side along A or along B. So when A is for point A, x equals to 3, so it will be this one. Okay, and the other one is when x is equals to 7. Okay, so it will be this one. Okay, so it can be this and it can be this. Okay, if you go to the grid, let's go back to the grid. Okay, when s equals to 2, okay, you are talking about this point here. Any point at s equals to 2, so it will be invalid. And when s equals to -5, we're talking about a point here which will also be invalid. So that is the solution to that question. So let's go to the next question. This is question 9. Okay, we need question 21. So this is question 21. Okay, from progression test stage 8, paper 2, 2024. Mike writes 3 equations where H represents the number of hours, D represents the number of days, M represents the number of months, Y represents the number of years. Take this sign to show if each of his equation is always true, sometimes true, or false. One has been done for you. So Cambridge is well known with this. Cambridge will always do one for you. So let's look into the remaining ones. Yes, the first one is wrong simply because the hour shouldn't be here. So it should be H equals to 24 times D, or D is equals to H over 24. Take for instance now, you want to convert 48 hours to days. Okay, so if you place 24 here, 48 hours, if you want to convert 48 hours to days, so if you key in 48 hours here, that means we have D equals to 48 over 24, and of course this will give you 2 days, which is correct. But if you are using this one now, that means it will be 24 times 48 hours, so that is pretty incorrect. Okay, so that is why it is false. So the second one here, month is equals to 12 times years. Okay, so this will always be true because every year has 12 months. Okay, so let's say you want to convert 2 years to month. Okay, so that means y is equals to 2. So 12 times 2 will give you 24 months, which is correct. So this is always true. Okay, the third one, D is equals to 31 times M, that is days, is equals to 31 times M. We want to convert month to days. So some days, some month are 31, while a month could also be 28, it could be 29, and it could be 30. Okay, so that is why this will be correct at times, and at times it will be incorrect. So the best option will always be sometimes true. Okay, it will be true if the month has 31 days. Okay, so this is the solution for to this question. So let's go to the last one. So this is question 22 from stage 8, paper 2, 2024. Angelique has some red tickets and some yellow tickets. Each ticket has a single number written on it. The table below, the table shows information about her tickets. Okay, so this is the table about tickets, the color, and then the numbers. Angelique picks a ticket at random. She writes these sentences about the ticket she picks, each with an incorrect fraction. The probability that my ticket is red is 1/2, which is incorrect. The probability that my ticket shows an even number is 1/2, which is also incorrect. So complete sentences with the correct fractions. Okay, so the first one will be the probability that my ticket is red. Okay, so let's see the total number of tickets. The total, okay, will be 27 plus 20, because we have 20 red tickets and 27 red tickets and 20 yellow tickets. So the total will be 47. That's the total. Then the first statement will be the probability that my ticket is red, okay, will be number of red, okay, over total. So that will be the probability, and the number of red here is 27, okay, then over total, which is 47. So the answer to this, the correct fraction, is 27 over 47. So the second one, the probability that my ticket shows an even number is, so an even number will be, we have even numbers here, we have even numbers here, for irrespective of the color of the ticket, we always get even numbers here and here. So for this one, if you count in twos, okay, for 1 to 20, it's going to be 10 even numbers. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So you have 10. So from 1 to 27, we're going to have 13. If you continue from 20, you have 22, 24, and 26. That's additional 3. So that means you have 13 even numbers here, 10 even numbers here. So the probability, okay, that our ticket shows an even number will be 13 plus 10 over 47. So that would be 23 out of 47. So I think I've done justice to the request. If you have any question, any Cambridge mathematics questions you want me to make a video for you, you can always contact me. My WhatsApp number, my email address are available on my channel, and you can always leave it in the comment section below any video. Until we meet again, stay cool and have your fingers crossed for latest mathematics content. Bye.